Name the tissue that transport food to various parts of the plant. Answer is C. Phloem. Which is the most common test used for diagnosis of cancer? Answer is A. Biopsy. How many chromosomes are present in a normal human body? Answer is B. 46. Which of the following is called master gland? Answer is B. Pituitary gland. Testosterone is secreted by. Answer is D. Leydig cells. The blood vessels containing deoxygenated blood is. Answer is C. Pulmonary artery. Which of the following acid is present in vinegar? Answer is A. Acetic acid. The chief ore of aluminium is. Answer is D. Bauxite. Which of the following gases is used in electric bulbs? Answer is C. Nitrogen. Which type of reactions occur when carbon burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide? Answer is B. Combustion reaction. Glaucoma is a disease of the. Answer is C. Eyes. Which cells in our body are called soldiers of the human body? Answer is B. White blood cells. Proteins are made of. Answer is D. Amino acids. Mangifera indica is the scientific name of. Answer is A. Mango. What is the SI unit of force? Answer is C. Newton. Fulminology is the study of. Answer is A. Lightning. In nuclear reactor, one of the following is used as a fuel. Answer is B. Uranium. The spectrum of light was first explained by dash. Answer is B. Isaac Newton. Convex mirror is generally used in. Answer is A. Rearview mirror. Speed of light is maximum in dash. Answer is A. Vacuum. What is the SI unit of electric current? Answer is C. Ampere. The energy derived from the heat of the earth is called. Answer is A. Geothermal energy. In which medium sound travels faster? Answer is B. Solid. Human can hear sound in range of. Answer is A. 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. clavicle in the human body is a dash. Answer is A. Collarbone. Who is considered the father of Indian bryology? Answer is C. Professor S.R. Kashyap. The metal that can be cut with a knife is? Answer is A. Sodium. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is a mixture of? Answer is C. Butane and propane. Limonite ore is the ore of which metal? Answer is D. Iron. Which of the following has a similar physical state as water at room temperature? Answer is C. Bromine.